Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It's economics for 11th class. I am Abdurrahim from Boys Higher Secondary School, Tartpura. Dear students, today the topic about which we are discussing, I am delivering my lectures. That is economic reforms since 1991 or new economic policy. And this, in the previous lecture, I have delivered lecture that is liberalization, because there are new economic policy has three legs, that is liberalization, privatization, globalization. Liberalization we have already discussed. Today our topic is privatization. What is meant by privatization? Privatization is the general process of involving the private sector in the ownership or operation of state owned enterprises. Now, what are the measures adopted for privatization? What are the measures? These measures are: number first, construction of public sector. Construction of public sector. This, dear students, what is the public sector and the private sector? Here, this was reduced. Public sector was reduced from 17 to 2. The sectors, those two sectors which remained yet, those are in the hands under the control of government, that is atomic energy, and number 2 is railway transport. These are the two sectors which were lying under the control of government, and other 15, 17 minus to 15 has gone direct in the hands of the private. Dear students, now construction of public sector. Initially, in the economic development of India, public sector was accorded prime importance as observed by the Dr. Manmohan Singh. Priority was given to public sector in the hope that it would help capital accumulation, industrialization, development, and removal of poverty. But none of these objectives could be realized. Policy of construction of public sector was therefore adopted. Under the new economic reforms, number of industries exclusively reserved for the public sector were reduced to 15, and from 17 to 2, that is atomic energy and railway transport. Number two is disinvestment in existing public sector industries. Process of disinvestment has been initiated by the government in respect of those public sector industries which had been running into loss. It implies that government has been selling these industries to private sector. Till the end of March 2016, government has sold public enterprises of more than rupees 2,09,288,000 crore to the private sector. And number 3 is, that is side of this shares of public sale of shares of public enterprises. Government has been selling shares of many public sector enterprises and banks to financial institutions of public. As a result, private sector will acquire partial ownership over these enterprises. It is also an important step towards privatization. As a result of these measures, out of the total investment in the country, share the private sector investment has increased from 45% to 55%. Now, dear students, this was the subtopic of the topic New Economic Policy 1991. This was privatization. Now, and this step was taken as to generate as to increase, as to make progress, as to make prospective the life of the people. And this sector, the people were free without the intervention of the government to invest what they like to do. That helps them in increasing the income of the per capita income. Now, dear students, I hope that this lecture is now clear to you. This topic, privatization, is now clear to you. And tomorrow, inshallah, I will do lecture in the third, that is globalization. Assalamu alaikum.